This image illustrates a guide for electrical motor circuit design, showing the key components and requirements for motor circuit conductors and protection. Here's a breakdown of each component and its specifications. Feeder conductors. Feeder conductors are sized based on the full load current of the highest rated motor combined with the sum of the full load current ratings of all other motors and non-motor loads. Motor disconnecting means. Disconnecting means are rated according to section 430.110. Current ratings from tables 430.251a and 430.251b should be used to select the appropriate disconnecting means. Short circuit protection. Short circuit protection is sized based on table 430.52. Motor branch circuit conductors. Branch circuit conductors are sized in accordance with section 430.21. Starter, motor control circuit. Motor control circuit protection is determined according to section 430.72. Each control circuit must be able to start and stop the motor it controls. Motor overload protection. Overload protection rating is calculated as per section 430.32. The rating depends on the service factor and horsepower rating of the motor. Motor full load ampere, FLA. Full load amperage, FLA, is calculated using tables 430.247, 430.248, 430.249, or 430.250. FLA is based on the horsepower or voltage rating of the motor. The diagram provides a systematic approach to sizing and protecting motor circuits by outlining the guidelines from the NEC, National Electrical Code, sections and tables referenced for each component.